David, we're back here in Colville today at Tornos. So often we're looking at your new technology, your new machines. Today's a little bit different. We'll get straight to the point on this one. You have a used machine here for sale that we want to tell our audience about. Yep. Just give them a little bit of an overview of what this product is.
So this is a Sigma 20. It's an inch capacity machine. C-axis on main and subspindle. We have driven tool capability, and Y-axis in both main and subspindle.
So who's the audience for this, David? Who's the market? Who would buy this type of machine?
Goes across the board really. OEM, subcontractors. It's going to be somebody that maybe is looking to get into Swiss type sliding headstock work, but can't afford the price of a new machine.
And I think what is evident with Tornos, having been to the factory, is that you have a division where you just do refurbish machines, don't you? So this isn't new to you guys being able to offer a quality used product, is it?
No, it's something we've done for a long time now.
And with the machine, David, would it come with the bar feed that we see here and any tooling and the swarf management system? Is that all part of it?
Yep, all part of the package. So the bar feeder and the Chromar conveyor as well, yeah.
And I suppose the final point is things like warranties. What reassurances can people have that if they buy this used machine, it's going to be backed up and supported?
Yep, they'll be coming with a warranty. We can do training, etc. as well.
So here's an opportunity to get a great deal on a used Swiss-type sliding head machine from Tornos.